Use sticky barrier tape around tree trunks to stop crawling moths and beetles from reaching the canopy. Sticky barrier tapes work by intercepting crawling pests as they ascend trunks, so choose a high-tack, weather-resistant adhesive product designed for horticultural use and apply it to a smooth backing like corrugated trunk wrap to protect the bark. First, clear loose debris, moss, and old dead bark from the application zone so the wrap lays flat and the tape adheres evenly. Cut a strip of corrugated wrap to circle the trunk at chest height and fasten it loosely enough to allow trunk growth but tight enough to prevent pests from walking under the edge. Apply the sticky tape to the outer face of the corrugated wrap rather than directly to the bark to avoid damage. Press firmly and smooth out bubbles so there are no gaps where insects can bypass the barrier. Replace the sticky surface every month during peak crawler activity in spring and again in autumn for a second wave of pests, and store replacement rolls in a cool shaded place to preserve tack. Use sheltering wrap above the sticky band to shield it from rain and falling debris and to reduce non-target captures by giving birds and beneficial insects an escape route. People often apply tape directly to the bark, which can injure cambium tissue, so always use a protective corrugated underlayer and check tightness regularly. Another common issue is leaving sticky bands on year-round, which traps beneficial species and loses effectiveness. Replace monthly only in targeted seasons and cover or remove during low activity. A third problem is relying solely on sticky bands when nearby mating populations persist. Use pheromone lures or baited traps as adjuncts to reduce local adult numbers and improve overall control. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on tree care and pest management, and also helps contractors find new projects and clients. We host a discussion community where people share field tips, product experiences, and ask practical how-to questions about tree banding and other home projects.